In this video, I will show you how to fix a fairly common fault in BOSCH washing machines. As you can see in this case too, we have no power supply. The washing machine is dead. Most often this means that there is a problem with the power supply board. The power board is located at the bottom left of the back of the washing machine. Start by opening the back cover. This one is a power supply board. Release the cable connections, noting the locations of the plugs, and remove the board. At this stage, if you do not understand electronics, you can simply look for a new such board by number and replace it. If you still want to fix it, keep watching. This is the board, and here is the chip that often breaks along with the resistors to it. In this case, it is even clearly visible how the resistors have broken the electrical circuit, now just replaced with new ones. TNY to 77PN and to resistors. Since there are two identical resistors in parallel, I replace them with a single resistor with a value of half the sum of the two. Now assemble back and all done.